Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I'm here to show you the Eibach Pro lowering springs for the 2016 to 2019 Turbo 4 and V6 Camaro. Now these springs are going to be a good option for you guys that are looking to eliminate some of the fender gap in your Camaro without going drastically low. The progressive spring design allows for a lower center of gravity, giving you an excellent ride quality. It also prevents body roll in corners, giving us an extra responsive feel to our daily drive or when we're diving into any corners. The 2019 Turbo 4 that we're going to be using today does not have magnetic ride. The installation will be very similar for you guys that do have magnetic ride, with the exception of the connections to the sensors. We're going to start with replacing the front springs. Once we remove our wheel, we are going to start with the front factory strut. This will require us to remove the sway bar end link and set it aside. The brake line will need to be unbolted from the strut and moved out of the way. The wheel speed sensor will need to be unbolted and removed from the clip to be set out of the way. Now we can remove the two main strut bolts. This may require a hammer for removal since the bolts are splined. Finally, we can remove the three bolts at the top of the strut to remove the whole assembly as a unit. Now with the assembly, we can take it to our spring compressor. To release some of the tension in the spring, we can remove the upper strut bolt holding the assembly together and then remove the factory spring. With our strut assembly put back together with the addition of the provided bump stop, we can install the new Eibach spring. The assembly will go back into the car in reverse order from removal. With one side done, we will repeat the process on the other side and move on to the rear. The rear will be disassembled a little differently. We're going to have to loosen and move the lower control arm out of the way to get the factory spring out. We will start by loosening the inner control arm bolt, then we can remove the factory shock bolt. We will also need to loosen the trailing arm to allow access for the outer control arm bolt to be removed. Using a jack to support the lower control arm, we can now remove the outer control arm nut and bolt. With the control arm loose, we will simply let our jack loose and remove our rear spring. With the factory spring out of the way, we can simply go back together with our new Eibach PRO-KIT spring and repeat the process on the other side. There you have it, guys. Now with these new springs installed, we can now go ahead and sit back and enjoy the new look of our Camaro and also enjoy the ride that Eibach prides themselves on. Thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.